Well, although this video is more about visual novels and less about coding, making visual novels also takes some coding skills, so let me make this video title count. I always wanted to make a visual novel myself. Different from TV shows that transmit its message through moving objects and people, a visual novel has its own kind of performance in terms of communicating its story to the audience, which is very limited. It's similar to books, as the core of the theme is most of the time shown through words and less through pictures. Fixed backgrounds and characters with almost one permanent standing pose and not enough facial expressions are usually the standards for the visuals of visual novels, making writing a major contributor to the communication of story. I felt really inspired by some of the existing visual novel games, as they broke my old stereotypes about them. One I came across that is not traditional but creative is Doki Doki Literature Club. The game has an interesting story that is at times unnerving, as DDLC starts itself as a typical gal game that allows the protagonist to choose any of the 3 characters to mainly interact and build relations with. As the game progresses, things only turn out to be more creepy. The breaking of the 4th wall would sometimes occur through its characters and even at once peeking into players' real identity. The game experience of DDLC can mostly be described as fun and haunting at the same time. It was very unforgettable. Other than DDLC, some visual novels that I know of are No Uta, Clannad, and Under the Thorns. These visual novel games that I know of opened a gateway for me, for them at the same time expanded my view on this genre. Like No Uta or DDLC that I talked about earlier, I never realized that visual novels can actually develop a frightening atmosphere. Visual novels really left a remarkable amount of impact on me. So, now I am just working on my own visual novel. The design of characters, writing of story, finding background resources, because my background drawing skills are horrible, creation of setting, and of course code out the final script and getting characters and backgrounds into places. There is a lot of work for the making of a visual novel, but I think I'm having quite a lot of fun doing every single part of it. And I will keep everyone up to date for the progress of its making. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next 2 weeks. And last thing, I apologize for uploading this video later than when it was supposed to be out 2 days ago. Don't be like me, kids, procrastination is not a cool thing.